The right food to feed your snail depends on whether it's a land snail or a freshwater snail. You can feed land snails veggies like cucumber, tomato, carrots, and cabbage, as well as herbs like parsley and basil. There should also be a source of calcium in your snail's tank at all times, like eggshells, oyster shells, bone meal, or even a piece of chalk. Always wash and dice, crush, or shred the food so it's both pesticide-free and smaller than a dime. Feed your land snail roughly a fourth cup, 21 grams of food each day. If your snail eats everything you give it, slowly increase how much you feed it until there's a little bit of food left over after 24 hours. Remember to never give your snail anything with salt. Freshwater snails mostly eat algae, and there may be more than enough algae in your aquarium if they live with other fish. If your snail is moving around a lot during the day, they're probably having trouble finding enough food, and you can supplement their diet with an algae disc. Add a new algae disc whenever your snail finishes the previous one. Like land snails, freshwater snails require a constant source of calcium, so pour crushed cuttlebone, limestone, or oyster shells into your tank regularly to keep your snail healthy and happy.